just took a strength-based assessment, and the good news is you can now name your top 5 to 7 strengths. Congratulations. But then you realize I can name them. What am I supposed to do with them now? Don't worry, I got you. Once you can name your top 5 to 7 strengths, the next step is to be able to actually know what those strengths actually mean. Can you understand them? And the reality is, being able to name them, that's only one part of it. What I want to show you in this video is how to use AI, especially School Psych AI, to help you better understand what your top strengths mean. So we're going to head on over to School Psych AI. What up, Sophia? And we're actually going to use this prompt. I'm going to hit this expand button. We're in our conversations feature right here. And I'm just going to paste in this prompt. And it says, I recently took the values in action character strength survey. Based on my results, your task is to create a summary table for me based on my following 5 to 7 character strengths. And then I just list them: creativity, perseverance, zest, social intelligence, fairness, hope, and spirituality. Get that period out of there. And then here's where I give it some instructions. I say, include how these strengths complement each other and how they can be applied in personal and professional settings. And then I'm going to hit submit. I'm going to collapse that. And now it's generating a response. We can see what it did. It went ahead and created a really nice table for me. It has my character strengths here that we said, and then it's giving me my complementing strengths. Then it's giving a personal application, then a professional application. Let's look at one as an example. So let's pick Zest, which is one of my top character strengths. The complementing strengths are creativity and social intelligence. The personal application of Zest is approach life with enthusiasm and energy. That's a fact. Fostering positive relationships. Well, what's the professional application? Bring passion and excitement to work, motivating colleagues, and creating a lively work environment. That's actually really cool. All right, that's good. We have that as a table, but what's next? What's the next step to really begin getting a deeper understanding? And this is one of my favorite prompts, and I'm giving this to you. You say, now create a narrative interpretation. Go deep. And I love that just those 2 words at the very end, and it's going to provide a very detailed analysis. Here's what we have. Here's a narrative interpretation of your character strengths, how they can complement each other and be applied in personal or professional settings, giving us a quick overview. And then it gets right into it. As a highly creative individual, you possess the ability to think outside the box. Very true. And approach challenges with a unique perspective. Your creativity is fueled by a deep sense of zest and enthusiasm, allowing you to tackle tasks with energy and passion. This creative spark is further strengthened by your perseverance. You have the determination to see your ideas through, even in the face of obstacles. I really, really love this opening line, this opening paragraph, because it's taking all of the strengths that I have and it's giving a nice overview of how they interact. And this is really, I mean, it does a really good job capturing my energy, my spark, my creativity with my determination. And what that looks like is me seeing things through. It then goes on to explain my social intelligence, my character, what this looks like in my personal life, what this looks like professionally. And then it gives us a nice closing. Overall, the synergy between your character strengths empowers you to navigate both your personal and professional life with a sense of purpose, resilience, and a commitment to making a positive impact on those around you. And that's absolutely facts. So now what I would advise you to do, and actually let's go ahead and do it. We're going to say now put all of this together. And what I wanted to do is going to put the narrative interpretation, is going to put the table and everything together. Then I'll be able to copy it and paste. Now, yep, it gave me the table right here. It gave me the narrative interpretation. I can copy this, simply click that clipboard and then paste wherever you like. This is just one example of how you can take your top 5 to 7 strengths from whatever assessment you prefer and get a good narrative interpretation of what it means and get it in a nice table format so that you can study it and really start to develop a deeper understanding of what those strengths mean to you. And this is a much more complex step versus just simply naming your strengths. Again, a lot of people don't even take that step of being able to name their strengths. But if you can get to this level, you can really leverage AI to provide you with the detailed, comprehensive analysis of your strengths. Give it a shot. You can use this prompt. I'll paste it below in the description and let me know what you think. Until next time, take care, everyone.